Hello there, viewers. Can you gain muscles only through push-ups? Is it true that your fitness level improves with time? Examine the probable results of performing 100 push-ups every day. What happens to your body if you perform 100 push-ups every day? Push-ups are effective and easy, which is why they are frequently included in numerous fitness plans. But have you ever pondered what happens to your body when you die? If you do, say, 100 push-ups each day? Will it help your posture? Or are you going to overwork your muscles? Let's find out in this video, so make sure to watch all the way to the finish. Good day, viewers. Number 1, your core becomes stronger. The push-up, like the plank, is essentially an anti-extension action. When doing it correctly, your core must remain flat and not sag. This becomes an endurance test over many sets of push-ups, forcing you to maintain a hard core. As a result, it reduces back discomfort and allows for more strong and explosive actions. Number 2, you run the danger of overworking your chest and triceps. Are 100 repetitions of push-ups difficult for you? Ask yourself. If this is the case, your muscles will require extensive healing. To get the most out of your workout, give your muscles at least 48 hours to recover. If you keep on pushing yourself, you won't just overstrain them but might also injure yourself. Number 3, you may be suffering from a muscle imbalance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, relying on just one sort of exercise isn't the greatest way to achieve complete muscle development. To achieve functional balance, an effective workout program should target all main muscle groups. Push-ups just work the front of the body, leaving your back untrained. Number 4, your physique significantly changes. Have you ever observed how push-ups are encouraged in many weight reduction fitness plans? Yes, because this workout encourages calorie burning. As a consequence, you lose weight more quickly and safely. You will also notice improvements in your arms, chest, and core muscles. There may also be an increase in upper body muscular tone. Number 5, your posture improves. Doing 100 push-ups every day will help fix improper posture. This is especially advantageous for persons who spend the most of their time in sitting. The workout engages and develops the core muscles, which improves posture. Can you do it as well? Did knowing the effects influence your decision to do 100 push-ups every day? Drop your reply in the comments below, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. To learn more interesting information about the human body, subscribe to the channel.